All right, if you're a meteorologist in Florida, it's going to be a busy weekend, right, Bree?
Sure.
Busy anywhere, just because the
impact,
So wide.
So wide-reaching, and so many folks have had so many questions. We've been doing interactive Facebook Lives on all of the tropics, Irma, Jose, and Katia, every night at 9 p.m. the last few nights. We're going to do one again tonight, so if you have questions that haven't been answered yet, join us tonight on the News Channel 5 Facebook page, and we're going to answer those questions for you. This is what it looks like right now. It's a lot to keep track of. Still 3 active hurricanes. Katia is still a Category 2. Irma is a 4, but by the hair of its chinny chin chin. 155 mile per hour sustained winds. It's a Category 5 at 157. So this is right on the upper echelon of Cat 4. Same thing, Jose, a Category 4 hurricane. We're going to walk through all 3 of these so you can get an update. Jose sustained winds of 150 miles per hour, very powerful Category 4. It is nearing the northern Leeward Islands. This outer rain band is already starting to push into areas that were just devastated by Irma. Jose will make a more northerly turn after it impacts those islands and will not follow the exact same path. Katia is a 2 and is hours from landfall along the Gulf Coast of Mexico. Mudslides remain the main concern there, and flooding. Of course, Irma remains a primary concern as it continues to head towards very densely populated areas. Now, the entire storm is dangerous, but the highest storm surge and the strongest winds are in the northern half, in particular the northern quarter. If you were to cut this like a clock, between noon and 3 is usually where you see the most damaging winds and the highest storm surge. I mentioned how large this storm is. It's over 530 miles across. Here's an updated look at the forecast. It looks to just kiss the northern part of Cuba, and then Saturday at 2 p.m. forecast to still have 155 mile per hour sustained winds and make that northerly turn when it is within 60 miles from the Keys. It is expected to now re-intensify to Category 5 strength, then continue its trek up to the north. I've said this all week. When you see this cone, and in particular this red line in the center, I think that can confuse folks. That doesn't mean that's where the center of Irma will be. The center of Irma can be anywhere within this cone, and where that center moves, it will move the greatest impacts with it. Now, that being said, hurricane force winds extend 70 miles out from the center, and at its widest point, Florida is roughly 140 miles across. So that means the entire state will likely endure hurricane force winds for the entire weekend. Now, as it crosses the border into Georgia Monday afternoon around lunchtime, it will weaken to tropical storm strength, 60 mile per hour winds, and then continue to weaken into a depression as it moves towards Tennessee. At this point, we would experience impacts on Tuesday. Overnight Monday into Tuesday, the wind increasing. Our greatest threat from this will actually be from damaging straight line winds, not a repeat of Harvey. Sustained winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40, and widespread, we're looking at 2 to 4 inches of rain. Now, as far as what the impacts to Florida will be, here's 5 things to know. 1, wind gusts in excess of 100 miles per hour. That storm surge at its highest point, 8 to 12 feet. When you add high tide to that, the highest waves will likely be around 20 feet above sea level. You add 12 to 20 inches of rainfall to that, and that means flooding will be a widespread concern across Florida, not just at the coast where storm surge will be the greatest. And if that's not enough, they will have isolated tornadoes possible, just like we did. Here's a quick look at winds as they begin to move closer towards the coast. Notice by Saturday morning, we're talking about wind speeds near 40 to 50 to 60. And then as we head overnight Saturday into Sunday, those winds will only increase for folks in the southern tip of Florida. And here at home, the story remains fall, an early taste of fall. It is technically still summer. 75 degrees right now. We won't have a normal day as far as temperatures go through the next 7. That would be in the mid 80s. We'll stay below normal. 56 overnight tonight, clear and crisp. Tomorrow, 80.